it is my first flute tutorial, so please let me know whether it is good or not. If you like my content or if you find something useful in my content, you can kindly like my video, and if you don't like my video, you can dislike it so that I will know your views. And if you want me to make tutorial of any of your favorite song, you can comment me in comment section, or you can directly inbox me in social media. And so let's start. The first line goes like, Asiana Mera. I'm not good in singing, just listen my notes. Sa ni sa re ga ni dha pa. Sa ni sa re ga ni dha pa. While taking sa, you can take min from ni, just like sa ni sa re ga ni dha pa. Asiana mera. And from ga to ni, also you have to take a min. Sa ni sa re ga ni dha pa, ga ni dha pa. This time you have to take a min. Like this. And second line also goes like this. Same. And third and fourth line goes like, ढूंढते तेरी गली मुझको घर मिला. For third line, ढूंढते dha pa ma. While playing dha, you have to take min from pa. Dha pa ma. Just like this. ढूंढते तेरी गली पधा पमा. All together. ढूंढते तेरी गली goes like dha pa ma, dha pa pa ma. Sorry, पधा पमा. मुझको घर मिला. धा 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 ni sa ni. In this phase also, while playing dha, you have to take min from pa. Dha 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 ni sa ni. And after that, this four line will again repeated. Now I don't exactly know the lyrics, but this four line will repeated. Play all the series in tar saptak so that they will be comfortable. And after that, tu jo mila, it is our main line. To ho gaya sab hasil. It goes like, its notation goes like गरे रे सा सा मा तू जो मिला गरे रे सा सा मा तो हो गया दिल का बिल its notation goes like mama ga ga re re sa dha ni ni pa simple. After that तू जो मिला तो हो गया सब हासिल है goes like its notation are pa ga 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 sa while playing ga you have to take a khatka from re just like you don't have to play re for longer time, you just have to touch for the sweetness of ga and with mend from ga to sa. After that तो हो गया सब हासिल है its notation goes like re re sa sa ni ni dha pa dha dha ni pa dha dha ni pa dha dha ni. While playing dha for second time, you have to take khatka from pa. Just toss the pa and come to dha. And final line goes like क्योंकि तुम धड़कन में दिल. This line is so lovely. You have to play through mend and gamak. You have to play it slowly and very nicely. Its notation goes like सारे रे गा सारे नी सा क्योंकि तुम धड़कन में दिल. While playing rega you have to take mint and also from sare you have to play mint just like this is mint and sare. Sare re ga re sa ni sa.
This is the overall notation. After that the same notation will be repeated, only lyrics will be changed. So I think it is enough. So please give your review in comment section, and if you want me to make tutorial of another song you can kindly comment me and I will try to make it. Thank you, thanks for watching.